Together, we will choose the best employment type for Adam, Zachary, and Gabby. Adam is a part time student and can only work after school. Zachary attends school full time and can only work during the summer. Gabby graduated from college and can work 8 hours per week. Should Adam work part time, full time, or seasonal? Part time is the best employment type for Adam. Part time employees work less than 30 hours per week. Should Zachary work part time, full time, or seasonal? Seasonal is the best employment type for Zachary. Seasonal employees can work during the summer months. Should Gabby work part time, full time, or seasonal? Full time is the best employment type for Gabby. Full time employees work more than 30 hours per week. Adam, Zachary, and Gabby are happy with their employment type.